welcome. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and just listen to the sound of the ocean. Hear the waves rolling in and washing back out. Let's take a deep breath together to ground ourselves. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with the fresh ocean air. And exhale completely, letting your shoulders drop. Inhale peace. And exhale any tension from your day. You are safe here. You are exactly where you need to be. Imagine you are standing on a beautiful, quiet beach. The sand beneath your feet is warm and supportive. The sky above is a soft, calming blue. Watch the slow, gentle waves move across the sand. With every wave that comes in, imagine a wave of calm washing over you. With every wave that goes out, feel your worries being carried away into the deep ocean. Let the water wash away the noise in your mind. Let it clear away the mental clutter. There is nothing you need to do right now. There is nowhere else you need to be. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. It feels refreshing, healing, and peaceful. I am going to leave you with the gentle sound of the waves for a few moments. As you listen, simply allow yourself to rest. Gently bring your awareness back to your breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. You can carry this ocean peace with you into the rest of your day or into a deep, restful sleep. Thank you for meditating with me today. If this journey brought you peace, please consider subscribing to my channel to join my peaceful community. Take one last deep breath. Exhale, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes.